science world. And we're going to learn the split time version of our same time turns. We have our same time turn past the toes, over the top and front, up behind the hips, down behind the shoulders. And you can do all of those split time. And that's going to end up being part of what blends into all your reels and windmills. So this is getting us into our chasing moves. So face this with me and get oriented. For me, I've got condo in front of me, I've got tree to the right, a stadium to the left, camera behind, and I'm going to be consistent in my directions here. So I shift this way. Let's do this with me. Plant your feet, and remember you can shift your feet as you shift your body, but don't step around it first, because that'll just trip you up. So you're going to shift this way, and at first review how we do the same time turns. Get them spinning, pass down past your toes, over the top in front of you, up behind your hips, down behind your shoulders. So let's do the 2 turns in front. Slowly past your toes and over the top. Notice that it passes your toes. The left is leading past your toes, and as you come back, your right is leading. Your left is leading, then your right is leading. So what you're going to do is this. First, face this way and get a backward split time happening. Okay. This is how you're going to finish. You're going to finish in backward split time. So if you started at your toes, you could turn to your left into backward split time. Do that a couple times. Your left is already leading, so it's easy to go flip into backward split time. Then you're going to start all the way out here. Same thing, left leads in the backward split time. Then you're going to start gently spinning the poi, same time. And when you turn, you're going to let the left speed up a bit, and the left leads in the split time. Then you're going to start in split time. Your left is going to lead, the right's going to chase the left, toes, toes in the split time. Then you come back the same time, go over the top, and as you get to the other side, let the right speed up back to split time. So at first you can keep doing same time and finish in split time. Start in the same time, finish in split time, and then just start in split time. When you turn to your left leads past the toes. When you turn to the right leads over the sky. Left past the toes, right over the sky. Left past the toes, right over the sky. Boom, 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 boom. And then, of course, your homework is to turn the other way, and the opposite's true. As I go past my toes, the right is leading, and as I come back, the left is leading now. So I'm going to learn to let the right lead in the split time, and when I come back, the left leads in the split time. And then from split time, the right leads, coming back, the left leads, so I can do it this way. And then pretty soon you'll be turning. You can go on this side and back, and this side and back, or this side and keep turning. And this is becoming some real poi spinning. And coming soon, how to do the turns behind.